These town halls inspire me, they keep me going, they connect the dots for boaters and elected officials. We're able to tell our story, and electeds are, Representative Kilmer was super engaged and interested in what we had to say. And I really feel like this is what democracy is all about.
So much of our time in Washington we spend on the issues we talk about all the time, renewable fuel standard and harbor maintenance trust fund and different things like this. And what I think was great about doing this kind of meeting is that we got to come out and hear about a local ramp issue and what the permitting means to that and how that matters, and to talk about the funding and how that flows in. So it's connecting that local thing. All politics is local, and it's important for us that are doing the work in Washington to remember that.
One of the big frustrations that I heard today was around the point-no-point boat launch and the frustrations around a permitting process that's been going on since 2016, and that the permits are basically done, the facilities have been upgraded, and what used to be a large number of boat ramps is now down to 0, and we still don't have them. And we're waiting for one permit that Representative Kilmer has access to help push through.
To hear that there used to be 12 boat launch ramps in this specific part of Kitsap County and now there are 0, there's a problem there and we need to solve it, and we've got a pretty good team in place, volunteers, experts, state agencies, Representative Kilmer now engaged, working together and trying to get this nut cracked.
From the boaters' perspective and kind of the importance of having the boating community participate in town hall events like this, that's really important. It was a dynamic discussion today because he was able to hear from both the industry as well as their consumers. Any congressional offices flooded with letters, emails from their constituents, and then go to social media as well. But still having that face-to-face conversation really, I think, makes a stronger impact and helps to have a more productive outcome. There's fundamental ways that we need Congress to be supporting us, and that's both through, investing in recreational infrastructure, that's prioritizing how public lands and waters are managed, and making sure that, we can get permits authorized and kind of out the door in a timely manner.